Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and pairing the headphones. Connect to your device and confirm firmware is current. Once done, set ANC to a medium baseline so you can hear changes and move into a quiet room to isolate variables. Make sure phone audio profile is set to high quality and any equalizer presets are off. Now enable noise cancelling mode and run a short test track at conversational volume. This establishes a reference so you can judge improvements as you tune the system. Next, focus on physical fit and ANC tuning because fit often trumps algorithm tweaks. You should test different ear tips or reposition pads until outside sound reduces significantly without strain. Then adjust ANC strength in small steps. Listen for pressure, breathing sounds, or hiss. Back off if artifacts appear. Make use of adaptive or environmental modes in the app and briefly enable ambient pass-through to verify situational awareness. Continue alternating fit adjustments and ANC settings until the balance of comfort and isolation is op. Finally, fine-tune both ANC and sound signature. Play white noise, low-frequency tones, and speech to spot gaps, then use EQ to reduce any remaining rumble or sibilance. If noise canceling behaves oddly, reboot the headphones and source, and if needed, perform a factory reset and repair to clear settings conflicts. Make sure to test with multiple devices and environments, car, office, airplane, to ensure consistency. Trouble tip: if you still hear vibration-like noise, check seals and replace ear tips before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.